True Induction fulfills all built-in standards with its 858UL certification, which is why True Induction is one of the most pre-installed cooktops in the RV market today. So why do they continuously choose True Induction, and why they will also work perfectly in your home kitchen? Let's take a look. They are sleek and stylish, giving the RV's interior or your home kitchen a more modern look. True Induction cooktops are compact enough to not take up valuable counter space, yet doesn't sacrifice on the power. With the ability to cook all your favorite meals either on the go in your RV or in your home, and it's easy to clean after cooking so you can spend time with your family, no matter where you are. However, the top reason RV manufacturers choose True Induction is that they are 858UL certified, meaning they meet all the safety requirements to be safely built into a countertop, giving you peace of mind that you're keeping loved ones and yourself safe. With True Induction, you can be assured that your built-in cooktop will be compliant, be safe, and be confident that your cooktop will remain reliable into the future.